Joshua King is trying. He's a good comedian. I love to support the young con. Yes, I love to support the upcomings. You know, my name is AK the comedian. I'm a comedian. Yeah. When I feel relaxed, so when I treat that, no loss. Yeah. Now this evening, I like to tell people about Diop. Now this evening, I they come out for my two. Now one court boy meet me. He ask me, Bobby, who goes you? I tell him, I don't know. I won't go. Now the guy call me, say, Bobby. I said, He said, when men were men, where were you? Now I tell him, I've been in the church. Oh, I don't want to laugh at me. Well, no be my fault, Shana. The AC don't dry my joke. They might call my face so that I go see me where. I don't see me when I go laugh now, Abi. Somebody say I'm fine. Fine pass your boyfriend, Abi. Oh, but today na Sunday, now I tell people when you go to church, listen to the man of God very well before you respond. We don't dey church this morning. Pastor they preach. Say there is somebody here. One girl where the thing no concern. She said, Pastor, na me. Pastor said, no, there is somebody here. She said, Pastor, don't talk again. Na me. Now Pastor said, there is somebody here. You have HIV. She said, Pastor, not be me and my mother. Very annoying. Now this morning for church, we welcome one dancers. When they come dance, if you hear their name, sweet name, Jesus personal dancers. These guys they come out. They dance with song now. I believe I can fly. Before I go know the phone when they carry play the music on the ring. Brrr, brrr. One guy say making go off him. That mistakenly answer the call. What Yana? Hello, Ebuka, landlord the vessel. You say you shit in no flush toilet. Very annoying. Let me tell people now during that good luck Jonathan Regina will be enjoying for Port Harcourt now. That's why we say if you know well, they go give you food. You go eat the food, vomit, and the food go just waste like that. Now you know they like that too. For this Buhari regime now, if you know well, they give you food. You eat the food, vomit them. They don't go throw them. They go pack and put for fridge. When you hungry, don't go microwave and give you. Oh, it's shocking, Abi. Now women where they fry things. So I go know this one now. Those women where they fry things before onions no cost now before. People they buy onions, they take fry things, and then when you put your onions for fry pan, you take it there and cha. Onions go they shout, they make noise. But now you know they like that again. Now yesterday now I want fry egg. My oil they boil. Now pour my onions. When my onions go make noise, cha. Which I now. Very annoying. You know, now make those of now when they go bank, go withdraw money. I get one particular friend. Anytime when go bank, so withdraw. When you notice say the line long, you go find excuse me that line withdraw. One day no wrong come now. Say please, people let me withdraw. My sister is sick. Bah, they allow you withdraw. Go. He come again the second day. Please, people let me withdraw. My mother is sick. Bah, they allow you withdraw. Go. And you know say anytime God won't punish you, they punish you with evidence. They thought they want using father. I don't know say father did here. Now wrong come. Please, people let me withdraw. My father is dying. They say if I don't bring deposit, they won't attend to him. Now the father don't look and say Joshua they die. Come on, join the line. And that part I know they really pain me. The one where they pay me now, those who are mothers where they breastfeed children. Where they carry their small children, come bank, see the line long. They'll come beat the picking. Boom! The picking now come they cry. People now come pity the woman. Say, madam, go and withdraw to that. Go home and take care of that baby. That thing they happen. No be so. I say I go try and one day now I carry one deal picking enter bank. The line long. Now beat the picking. Boom! When the picking go cry, now laugh. Say, he say, I was 4 years. Very annoying. Let me carry. Now before now, some of them way they are, some of them way they are. When our parents still they give them money. Me, you don't tell me they stop to give me money. So I devise another means to take the collect money from my father's hand. Anytime when he send me shaving stick, when he use and finish throw him, I'll go carry and wash. When he send me another one, I'll carry down where I wash, take go give her. As I talk to him, my father don't use one shaving stick for 3 years. He don't know. It's shocking, Abi. It's hard. The country I don't hard. That's why they celebrate our men of God for River State here because they try. I don't go Abba, go see the way men of God they preach for Abba. Only for Abba, man of God go preach finish, when they ask the members, she be a try. Now the members, idiot people, now they're going to tell us, they try. The only thing we say, they too shout, they lower the volume. You know, easy. The country now, as for that day, I'm going to just laugh. The 3K, no me hold am. No be hold Joshua King, we hold on 3K. Joshua King is trying. It's trying. Just that if I don't go far, now just the shortness. Yeah. You say? Ah. Hey, Afana, your beer is only grow. So the beer you're strong, be like iron sponge. And your head come big, join now. You know, the way your head they big, you know that's the way people they talk, say, upon this rock I shall build my church. Now the rock be that. Very you know, that they see, I they advise men. If you know say your head need to carry for drinking, need to drink. Recently, my father don't go drink, come back. I seen drink, come back. He head knock. Boom! When he enter, I seen they look at mother. My mother they look at him, they look my mother. My mother they look at. I enter my mother. You look familiar. The country now, everybody try to lobby to survive. Any way you see, manage. You know, that's why they tell people. Somebody they come there, they talk, say, Una go notice since Buhari enter seat, things just they lost. First, we have say budget loss. No be so. Oh, no. Budget loss. You know today we have say in ear drum loss. The one way shock me. We have say moon for sky loss. Who be that? And I don't start my village people. Now we are done somebody try funny. My time not up. All right, good night. My name is AK the comedian. Thank you very much.